Hadian ba kajing bat kajing tua kendo kabajur kabla pinjulor ya kabinta jong Surok Shillong dauki halai lingkon kawe kadur AI kabla pin I kumbala Dep Tei da Jingkieng halor kabinta kabla dukut no jong Surong kala sapriang stat bha hakirin san social media ha kani kadur layu I kumba kadon Jingkieng kabathamai kabla pin yeso biang ya Surok bala julor hindre hadu minta ampat don kanu kajing pin bina Paidbah na sorkar ni na ke NHIDCL bala Tei ni bla Dep pinbet ya kani kabinta jong Surong katkum kijing yo lung jingtep kani kadur kalong tang kadur balashna da artificial intelligence bat kam dei satya kadur ka shisha nakaliang ki Paidbah lakin tu bakin husiar habayo apriang ya kino kidur neki video social media khamtam hakum kini kipor babon kijingtem bomdei bat kidur AI plus apriang stat bha bat kila binkul mar jingmudru ya ki Paidbah kumbalong Mynta ka Shillong dau ki road kadang khang na ka binta ki kali Paidbah hadian ke jing julor ka bakraw halai lingkon bat lakin tu ikinong let no one ban pindon kam di kilinti shnong bala pinbet da ka district administration tat hadu bandala ban pin bhabyang ya ka Surok
Lad sudah banyak, ladam lad, ajak surok. Kene deh mauli, lahap kita gi mau bah.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.